Hi, I'm Nicholas Hay, founder and director of Finomatic Consulting. One of the questions we often receive from investors and prospective clients is which software do you use? So we exclusively use the Microsoft suite of tools, and the main reason for that is because most corporate finance transactions are done off the back of interrogating data in an Excel file. And then, so to leverage that, you can use Power Query, Power BI, and layer it on top of the Excel file as well, which is especially useful if you have a high volume of data. So we recently had a customer, on a recent project which had thousands of customers, whereas obviously you could also have a B2B SaaS provider who has like large enterprise clients, so they might only have 20 clients, for example, but each is worth a lot in terms of MRR. But in this case, if you do have a high volume of customers, then you might consider a solution like Power BI because of data volume, and you don't want to get a very slow Excel file. And Power BI, Power Query are built to handle that a bit better. So in this example, it doesn't have thousands of customers, but I just thought it was a good demonstration. So this is the different ways you potentially slice and dice your revenue by customer data. So you could have different revenue lines like hosting, license, support, transactions. You could group customers into tiers and by sector, and then an individual list of all different customers, and then drop down to change the months as well. So this is just an example of how to operate that in Power BI. So you see here the ARR by revenue stream as it goes. So I'm just going to isolate license for a second. As you can see here, license ticking up, and one of the good things is people are always going to ask, okay, well, how has that number got from there to there? And in Power BI, it's much easier to just say analyze, explain the increase. Then you go down to here and you can see the increase of 12.8, so in October 23 to November 23, and this is what's driven it. So you've got Sony Pictures, HCL, Barclays license, etc. So then if I go to change versus prior month, you'll see that Sony Pictures, HCL, Barclays, and that's what's driving the increase from one month to another. So it's very easy to interrogate the data and figure out what is causing the moves. And also you can drill into a specific customer view. So in this case, if I unselect and select Barclays, for example, you can see you get the view of Barclays only for the various different revenue lines. And then if I bring all the customers back, if you wanted to view it just based on specific sector, so just the energy sector, for example, then you would get just the energy customers and the different tiers. And again, if you wanted to view just the tier 1 customers, and you can see everything responds to that as well. So it's just a very user-friendly way of interrogating the data when you have a high volume of